I got to admit na mali yung pagkakaintindi ko about what is a virtual assistant. And this is the lesson na natutunan ko. 2 years na akong marketing virtual assistant. And recently, I attended a webinar nung company namin. Tapos, napag-usapan doon, what is a virtual assistant in terms of a personal brand? Naisip ko, virtual assistant, branding, feeling ko alam ko na yun kasi, 2 years na akong VA, tapos marketing VA pa. So, feeling ko, alam ko na yung sasabihin ng speaker ni Eloisa or ni Nanay Eloisa. That's what I call her. Siya yung aming founder and president ng Virtual Champions. Pero, nung pinapakinggan ko, I realized I was wrong. You see, ang sabi niya, that if you are a virtual assistant, you are not an employee, but rather you're a business owner. Meaning, kung business owner ka, you are the brand. You are the business. And that means you will do what it takes to uphold your business or to make sure na yung business mo ay successful. Ito, for example, kunyari, galit si client, pero meron kang task na kailangan ibigay, may task ka na kailangan i-accomplish. So, what will you do? You will do everything para ma-accomplish yung task na yun. Kahit kailangan mo magpuyat, kahit mag-work ka ng weekends, you will do everything basta ma-accomplish mo yung task mo dun sa client mo na yun. Kasi yung goal mo as a business owner is to uphold your personal brand. This means na we should stop being transactional. Yung nag-iisip na, ay, naka 8 hours na ako, tapos na ang trabaho ko, ganyan. Ay, hindi ko to scope, hindi ko na to gagawin. Yung ganun, hindi naman natin napag-usapan na gagawin ko to, hindi ko na to gagawin. Ito yung dapat mong isipin, na you have a reputation to uphold. And meron kang daladalang values. Kasi, isa ka nga ang business eh. You have care, or you have empathy sa business nila kasi gusto mong mag-succeed yung client na meron ka. Kasi you have equality na bit. Meron kang gustong ipakitang excellence kasi ito yung type ng business na meron ka. And kapag ginawa mo yun, the rest will follow. Darating na yung pera, which is yung result ng performance mo. And dyan na rin yung satisfaction na alam mong may natutulong ka. So at the end of the day, I learned na virtual assistants are not employees, but rather they are business owner. And as business owner, na-realize ko na I am the brand and I am the business. Yun lang.